Science is full of surprises, both exhilarating and sobering. Today, we're grappling with a stark reminder of nature's power, a human fatality linked to a novel bird flu strain. But that's not all, we're also witnessing the heartbreaking end of a celestial traveler. Plus, ever wonder why your cat siblings look nothing alike? Let's dive in. First, the headline that's got everyone talking: a man has tragically died from the H5N5 bird flu. A resident of Washington state, sadly, became the first known human case of the H5N5 avian influenza strain and succumbed to complications from the virus, as reported by CNN. This individual, an older adult with pre-existing health conditions, had a backyard flock of various domestic birds, which officials suspect was the source of the infection. While this is undoubtedly concerning, health experts currently believe that H5N5 doesn't pose a significantly greater threat to human health than the more familiar H5N1 virus. H5N1, you might recall, caused a wave of around 70 reported human infections in the US during 2024 and 2025, primarily affecting poultry and dairy farm workers, and typically resulting in mild symptoms. But here's where it gets controversial. Some experts argue that any novel strain with the ability to jump to humans is cause for serious alarm and warrants increased surveillance. What do you think? Is this an overreaction, or a necessary precaution? Want to stay ahead of the curve? Here are some resources on how to minimize your risk of bird flu infection and learn about the strategies scientists are exploring to prevent human-to-human transmission of the virus. Next up, a cosmic heartbreak. Comet Atlas is disintegrating before our eyes. Remember Comet Atlas, c. 2025 K1? Scientists initially held hope that this celestial visitor had survived its recent close encounter with the Sun. But unfortunately, images captured by the Virtual Telescope project reveal a different story. It's tragically breaking apart. The likely culprit: the Sun's immense gravitational pull, which has caused the comet to fracture into at least 3 visible fragments, according to photographer Michael Jagger of spaceweather.com. It's a stark reminder of the powerful forces at play in our solar system. And just to clarify, this comet has no relation to interstellar Comet 3I, Atlas. Finally, let's lighten the mood with a feline mystery: why do cat siblings sometimes look completely different? I've always wondered about this. When we adopted our cat, Scallop, from the ASPCA, her brother, Clam, from the same litter of strays, was left behind. Scallop resembled an adorable blue point Siamese, while Clam was a, no less adorable, grey domestic shorthair with white socks. The question is, how could they look so unalike? Well, a story from our former content manager, Marilyn Perkins, sheds some light on this fascinating phenomenon. The short answer is that cats can have multiple fathers in one litter. But this is the part most people miss: cats, unlike humans, can release multiple eggs during ovulation, and these eggs can be fertilized by different males if the queen mates with multiple toms during her fertile period. This leads to a litter of kittens who share the same mother but have different fathers, resulting in a wide range of appearances. So, what are your thoughts on today's science news? Are you concerned about the H5N5 bird flu, or do you think the risk is being overblown? Have you ever witnessed a comet disintegrating? And does the multiple father cat litter phenomenon blow your mind as much as it does mine? Share your opinions in the comments below.